everyone, welcome back to my channel. I feel like I haven't done a vlog in a while, and I definitely have not done a work vlog in a while because I have been working from home. But last week I actually started going back into the office. I work for a company called Hype and Vice. They do college apparel and they have a really small team. It's like maximum 10 people in the office ever at a time. So I've started going back Mondays and Wednesdays, and then at least for now, maybe permanently, we will see. I have been working from home on Fridays. So today is Monday. It's like 7:15 right now. I got up and got ready and am going to go to work. It's actually so crazy how much less traffic there is. It used to take me sometimes close to like 40 minutes to drive into work just because the traffic in LA is so crazy, but it's only been taking me 20 minutes to get there, which is actually amazing. That's actually the whole reason that I originally wanted to work 8 to 4 instead of 9 to 5, kind of to avoid some traffic, but I figured I would just keep doing that because then I get home earlier, and honestly, waking up to get to work at 8 really is not that much different to me than waking up to get to work at 9. So anyways, I am awake. I just need to brush my teeth and then I'm gonna grab a coffee. I think I'm just gonna finish a coffee that I had from yesterday, and then I'm gonna head out. But I will show you what I'm wearing. It's really not anything crazy. If you guys don't know, the company I work for is a startup, so they're really chill about what I wear. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a little intro. This is today's little work OOTD. Once again, very casual. I'm just wearing this hat from Aloe because I am due to wash my hair. I really need to work out tonight, so hopefully I'm not too tired. And then this little zip up from Yes Style, black leggings from Lululemon, and then these sneakers are from PS 821. So this is just my little outfit of the day, and I will show you what I'm bringing for lunch now. I'm just bringing one of the Trader Joe's Caesar salads. These are actually really good, and I feel like it's the perfect amount. So this is going to be today's lunch. I have slightly given up working at a desk, and so this has become my work spot. I just got home from work. I will update you guys in a little bit. I just want to take a little time to rest because I'm so tired. But I just heated up this leftover pasta from last night for a little snack. All right, guys, so it's a little bit later. I changed my shirt because I was sweating in that sweatshirt. I am so exhausted. I couldn't fall asleep last night until close to 2, and then I woke up at 6:30. So definitely a little bit tired. I also feel like my body has gotten so used to working from home, and I wasn't working 8 to 4 when I've been working from home. I was doing more 9 to 5, so I was just kind of used to sleeping in a little bit later and just kind of staying in my apartment, and most days staying in bed to work. So even though I am only going into the office 2 days of the week, it still feels like a pretty big adjustment, and I've just been so exhausted. It's definitely been a bummer not getting as much exercise because I always feel a lot better when I work out, but I just really haven't felt super comfortable going to the gym. Even though it did reopen, it's still like a little bit weird for me. So I think tonight I am just going to chill. Maybe I'll try and do some ab exercises in my apartment, or I'll try and go on a walk or something if I get some energy, but I honestly feel so dead. I just want to try and get a good night's sleep. Work was pretty quiet today. There were only 2 other people in the office, so pretty quiet. I just worked on my usual stuff pretty much. And I did want to say that I can officially start moving into my new apartment on Wednesday. I don't think I'm actually going to go there until Thursday because I will be working on Wednesday, but I'm so excited. So I think this vlog is going to go through Wednesday, and then after that I will start a whole new vlog so I can do like my moving day 1 and empty apartment tour and all that stuff. But I'm so excited for that. It really just snuck up on me. I feel like it came out of nowhere. But yeah, that is what I'm excited for the week, and if I do anything else tonight I will let you know. But I'm honestly so dead. All I can think about is laying in my bed. Okay, it is now like 9 p.m. and I wanted a little bit more to eat, so I'm gonna try this broccoli cheddar soup that I got from my Thrive Market box, but I will show you guys what this looks like once I make it. This is what the soup is looking like. I will let you guys know in the next clip how it is. Good morning, everyone. I look terrifying. I am due for a shower. I am 1000% washing my hair later today, but Tara and I were going to tan for a little bit early afternoon, so I'm not gonna wash my hair and shower before I tan because I know I'll get really sweaty. So that is on my list today. And then I also think I'm going to watch the sunset with another friend at the beach later. And I have mentioned this, but you know, I have been taking precautions, and I do think that it's safe to, you know, hang out with one friend at a time outside and just do something chill, you know, keep some space between us. But like I've said, living alone, it just gets really, really lonely. So since we technically are allowed to see other people now, I think that's fine. And I definitely want to take advantage of seeing some friends while I can. So that's my plan for today. And then hopefully in between those two things, I will be able to shower and not look like an alien. But now I think I'm just gonna make an iced latte, and then after that I'll probably just get ready to go tan at Tara's. We are up on Tara's shared rooftop.
Looking my best.
Same. This is the situation. Probably gonna wrap it up sometime soon.
We've been out here for hours.
I know.
Crispin.
I'm not showing myself because I'm so ugly. Okay, so I just got back from Tara's. We just caught up. We hadn't seen each other in a hot minute, and I think I got a little bit tanner. Maybe, honestly, I don't know, but I just took such a must needed shower, and I'm just gonna style my hair naturally. So I wanted to show you the products I've been using lately because I always get questions on my hair products, and my hair is looking not its best because I haven't been able to get my hair done, and the earliest I could get in for an appointment is August. So I've definitely been trying to use products that will help my hair look its best in this state. And I really like the ones that I've been using. They are all from Revolve Beauty, but I will show you guys. They're all different brands and stuff like that. But I'll just show you guys how I like to style my hair when I just let it air dry so that it's not super frizzy and it's just kind of like beachy waves. Okay, I just took my hair out of the towel and I look like a wet rat. I never know. You know those girls that look good when they just come out of the water and out of the pool and their hair looks like this, but for some reason they look good? That doesn't happen to me. But anyways, these are the shampoo and conditioner that I'm currently using. I'm not gonna lie, these are kind of a splurge for shampoo and conditioner. These are the Oribe Bright Blonde shampoo and conditioner. So they're both a purple color, which definitely helps me right now because since I haven't gotten my hair done in so long, it's definitely starting to get brassier, so these have been helping. Okay, next up, I always need a detangler. My hair is so hard to brush out straight out of the shower. I could not brush it out without a detangler of some sort, so I've been using the Amika The Wizard Detangling Primer, I think. Yeah, detangling primer. And this stuff smells so good. Oh my gosh, my hair is like stuck in my earring. So yeah, I just liberally spray this throughout my hair, and then I just try and gently brush through my hair. But with this stuff, the combination of that shampoo and conditioner and then the detangler, it really brushes out quite easily, at least for me. Once my hair is fully brushed out, I'm using the Olaplex No. 7 bonding oil. I actually really love all of the Olaplex products. I have the shampoo and the conditioner as well, and they're really great. So this is just the little hair oil. It's kind of weird to get out. You just kind of tap it into your hand unless I'm doing this wrong. And I just like to put this throughout the ends and kind of the underneath of my hair. And last but not least, this is the Way Wave Spray. And with this, I just kind of spray it all throughout my hair. And after that, I kind of throw it back to like 2006. Oh my gosh, that's a song, isn't it? Is it? Well, anyways, I kind of scrunch up my hair. Not crazy like I used to back in the day with all of the mousse, but just a little bit just to give it something to go off of. And that's pretty much it. I just let it air dry after that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just let my hair air dry and it comes out really beachy and nice looking. I'm actually considering cutting my hair to like here once I can get a hair appointment. Let me know what you think. My hair has been this long literally since 6th grade, like very long, so it's kind of scary for me, but I think a change could be nice. And then obviously touching up my roots because they are wild right now. But let me know what you think, if you think I should cut it. All right, so my makeup is on and I just want to show you what I'm wearing to the beach. So first I'm wearing this little dress. It's actually from one of my followers' boutiques. It's called Blush and Bubbly. And then I just have this really long cardigan over top in case it gets a little chilly. And then I'm just wearing these little slide-on mules from Soul Sauna. So this is my little beach outfit. And I definitely think I got some color today laying out. So okay guys, I'm actually the worst vlogger. I completely forgot to vlog on the beach. I think it was just because we were catching up and it was so windy that you would not have heard anything that I said anyways. But I just got back to my car, and the reason my face looks like this is because the car in front of me that's parked has their taillights on. I'm not completely sure. But anyways, that was really nice. It was like a little bit chilly, but we had blankets and stuff. And yeah, I just found that like it's so nice just to catch up with friends during this time, because especially how I am living alone. I love living alone, especially in normal times. I love living alone, but in these times it can definitely get very lonely and isolating, because something that I love about living alone in normal times is I have my own space when I want it, but there's people walking by. But when I do get lonely, I can go out and do things with friends. But now it's just kind of a weird time and not lots of things are open, and lots of my friends that typically live here have gone home and are living with their parents. Once again, like I've said, I know I'm in a good situation and a fortunate situation, but when I am able to see friends that come back for a little bit, it's really nice. So that was nice. I'm going to head home now because I know I have an early day at work tomorrow, but I just want to update you guys. I feel really bad that I didn't vlog on the beach. I feel so stupid, but that's what we did. We just watched the sunset and caught up, and it was nice, but I am headed home now. Good morning, everyone. Happy Wednesday. So I woke up and I genuinely could not be bothered to put makeup on today. So I just didn't, and I got dressed and got packed up for work. It's about 7:30 right now, so I'm going to leave and head out to work, and I think I'm gonna go to Starbucks on the way. I go to Starbucks a good amount, and it's honestly just because I have the Starbucks credit card. So the purchases I make on the credit card ultimately end up getting me stars in the Starbucks app, so I always have free drinks. So that's why I go to Starbucks so often, and I'm always trying their new drinks. But I think I might try their cinnamon drink because for some reason that sounds good to me right now. My hair is actually crazy from being on the beach last night because it was so windy, but I'm just wearing this graphic tee from Princess Polly, this oversized black denim jacket from the thrift store. This is actually Levi's. This is one of my favorite thrift store finds, honestly. I'm obsessed with it, and I got it for like 20 bucks. And then I'm just wearing some black leggings and the same sneakers from earlier in the week. So yeah, really not anything too great. I'm never very proud of my work outfits, but for me it's just like more important to be comfortable there, and like barely anyone is in the office. Oh my gosh. So I'm not really trying to impress anyone, you know? I just got to work. I ended up getting the cinnamon dolce latte with soy milk and no whipped cream. Sorry if this is blurry, I really can't tell, but it's actually really good. I was in the mood for something cinnamony today, and I definitely recommend this. Okay guys, so I got out of work and I did not drive home. Well, I guess I technically did. I drove to my new apartment because today was the first day that I could pick up my keys, and I didn't know if I was going to come by today because sometimes I'm super tired after work, but I've actually been feeling pretty good, so I figured I would come by, just grab the keys, and then kind of go inside, look around a bit, and then tomorrow will be the first day that I bring anything over and start vlogging all of that. But I wanted to stop by, and maybe I will give you guys a little sneak peek before the next vlog, but I'm very excited, and it is a little bit closer to my work, so that is nice. But yeah, I'm gonna check it out now. Here is my tiny little sneak peek, and make sure you watch the rest of my moving vlogs once I post them so you can see the whole process. I am back at my current place and I wanted to show you guys these sparkling waters that I got. I've been trying to get myself into sparkling water because I really like soda, but I know it's so bad for me. And I actually really like this one. I ended up getting this on Amazon fresh because they were out of LaCroix. But I think this is better and I really like this flavor, so I would recommend this if you guys are looking for a flavor. Alright, for dinner I just made some of the Trader Joe's vegetable fried rice and then just stir fried some broccoli and put it on top. Oh, and for lunch I ordered by Chloe. I'll put a photo of it in here. It's so good, but where I live right now is too far away to order it. So at work, it's close enough. So I ordered that, but this is my dinner. Alright, it's a little after 11 now, and I think I'm gonna try and just wind down and go to bed so that I can have a productive day tomorrow, since tomorrow is like the first day I'm actually going to start moving stuff into my new place. But it was really, really exciting to be able to go in there and see it. And even though I know a lot of the furniture pieces that I feel like are gonna bring the whole place together aren't gonna come for a while. For example, I ordered this media stand sideboard thing that was just one of my dream pieces to have, and I decided to kind of splurge and have that for my new place. Sorry, my camera cut off really quick, but basically I ordered that and it said that it should be in stock around August, and then I got an email from the company that said now it will not be in stock until October or November. A bunch of different websites have this piece. I'll put a photo of it up on the screen, and it's the same for all of the websites that have it. So they asked me if I wanted to choose something else. They could show me like similar styles, but I know I really, really want this piece because Tara actually has it in the all tan color. I'm getting it with a little bit of black accents, so I just said I would wait, but that's gonna be a bummer because I thought that would look really cool. And then I did order a couch, which is supposed to be coming sometime in August. It had to be made, so we will see. So I know it's not gonna be fully how I want it for a while, but I'm still really excited to start moving in. I think it's gonna be great, and it will definitely be something to keep me busy because lately I've just been kind of bummed about, you know, the situation with coronavirus. So it'll definitely be keeping me busy that way, which will be nice. Anyways, I think I'm gonna watch some Married at First Sight. I don't know if I mentioned that in this vlog. I'm like spacing on what I've already said in this video, but I started watching that. It's super cringy, but I want to know if they stay together, so I think I'm gonna keep watching it. I'm always like watching it and then skipping through the parts that I think are really cringy because I just can't take the secondhand embarrassment. So anyways, that was my first half of the week vlog. I hope this wasn't too boring. I feel like I didn't do anything. Be sure to be on the lookout for my vlogs to come because there will be lots of moving videos. And as always, thank you guys so much for supporting me. Thank you for watching my videos, and yeah, stay tuned for my next one.